Hello, we're doing quiz list and membership operators. So the first problem is quiz list indexing. If you haven't done this yet, make sure you pause the video and go through it yourself. But we're going to be using a list indexing to determine how many days are in a particular month based on the integer variable month and store the value in the integer variable num days. For example, if month is 8, num days should be set to 31 since the 8th month August has 31 days. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do num days. Alright, we're going to create that variable, and then we're going to do days. I'm going to show you guys another way to do it with the one-liner, but in order for this program to actually run right, well, in this scenario, I mean on this website, in this virtual environment, you need to declare num days. But we're going to do days in a month minus 1. Okay? So we do month minus 1 because if we just were to put month in there, we just get the number 30 because this falls under index 8. But if we subtract it by 1, we'll get the 31 that we want. So I'm going to do a test run. Comes out with 31, and then we're going to submit the answer. You see it works. And now I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a one-liner. So we're just going to do print days in month, and then we're simply just gonna copy this and paste it right here, and then you're gonna see it works. I submit it, see it's fine. Now if I were to take this off, for some reason it just doesn't work, and that's only because I guess that's how they set it up here on the site. You see? Okay. But just know that this is totally fine. Okay. Let's continue. So again, if you pause the video here and do this one real quick, it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Honestly, 7 at most. But slicing list, select the 3 most recent dates from the list using list slicing notation. Hit negative indexes, work in slices. So modify this line so it prints the last 3 elements of the list. So we're going to do eclipse dates. I don't know how many elements there are, and I don't want to count it either. So I'm going to do -1. That's going to give me the last one. And I wonder how does they want the output. Okay, so like I don't know if they want the output like together, because if so I could just do this. Actually, I could use slicing, right? So -3. But I wouldn't do -1 though. I'd do I do eclipse dates. I'd use len to get the length. Okay. Eclipse dates, just like that. And do a test run. Yep. It works. Cool. Apparently you could do. Oh yeah, you could do eclipse dates. Just -3 to the end, because you're going to the end, right? You actually don't need this. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. You could just leave it open like that. Yeah. Okay. This one's okay. So make sure you pause the video here and do this one real quick. So I already did it. Right. So if we're replacing sentence 2 at index 6, so this is sentence 2 right here, and this is index 6, and we're just assigning a exclamation point to the end. So that's what I did here. For sentence 2, 0, we're switching. We have our majesty, so getting rid of this, the I here, and we're putting our majesty. And sentence 1 is a string, so we can't actually access index 30 and add the exclamation point, so we actually get an error. And from here, we're changing the first 2 elements here with woe, wants, and we did that. Okay. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.